Sand the surface scratch-free. When renovating, you must first remove all the residues from previous treatments completely. The surface needs to be evenly sanded. This is critical for a good result. We recommend a final 120 to 150 grit for tables. When you are finished, vacuum clean the table carefully and then use one of our preparational products, such as cleaner. The cleaner will electrostatically attract the microdust and prevent the oil from molecularly binding with the sanding dust instead of the wood fibers. Let the surface dry completely. Open the can with a can opener and stir the A component well with an oil stirrer. When using multiple cans, mix them together for an even result. Pour the required amount of Oil Plus 2C, component A, into a mixing container. Carefully add the B component at a ratio of 3 parts A to 1 part B and stir thoroughly. Once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Pour a small amount of the mixture on the table and spread out with a spatula or a beige scrubby pad. Work in sections that allow you to apply the oil and remove the excess within 15 minutes. Allow the oil 3 to 5 minutes to molecularly bond with the wood. Go over the area with a white scrubby pad until the surface is completely even and rub dry. Finish off by wiping away the excess oil with a lint-free cloth. After Oil Plus 2C has dried for at least 24 hours, thoroughly mix the two SheenPlus components together at a ratio of approximately 3 units A to 1 unit B. Mix for 1 or 2 minutes or until thoroughly mixed. Once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Work in sections that can be completed within 15 minutes. Apply a small amount of SheenPlus with a brush and spread it out using a red scrubby pad. Go over the area with a white scrubby pad until the surface is completely even and rub dry. Remove any streaks or surface irregularities with a lint-free cloth. Immediately after wiping with the cloth, wipe the oiled surface one more time with the same white pad that was used in the previous step, and make sure to use the oily side of the pad to do this final step. Wipe the surface in circular motion and finish wiping the surface in the length of the boards to finish the SheenPlus application. Cloths and other application tools saturated with oil may spontaneously combust. After usage, soak them in water prior to disposal. Allow to dry in a properly ventilated room. After 24 hours, the surface may be lightly used. Wait for full cure, which is 7 days, before getting any liquid on the surface. Clean the surface as needed. The recommended cleaners are Surface Care, All Natural Wood Cleaner Spray, or a rag damp with water. For maintenance, reapply SheenPlus. If color restoration is necessary, perform a renovation with Oil Plus 2C in the original color before reapplying SheenPlus.